My name is Will Francis, and I would like to thank Chairman Schwartner and the rest of the steering committee members for the opportunity to testify today. My name is Will Francis, and I'm the Government Relations Director for the National Association of Social Workers Texas chapter, and I am here to testify for SB 497. The Sunset Report released in July of 2015 recommended that DFPS consolidate its existing workforce management functions under one operational unit and add additional critical functions to better support employees and systematically identify root causes of turnover. The Office of Data Analytics would encompass these functions, and by elevating the role of this unit with reporting duties to the Deputy Commissioner, DFPS could ensure that they are truly responding to the challenges and needs of their staff. The recent salary increases at CPS were necessary, and the legislature should be commended for their implementation, but this will largely impact recruitment by drawing better educated and qualified workers to the field. Retaining those caseworkers will be the next challenge facing the department, and without a team of program specialists analyzing the data, trends, surveys, problem areas around the state, and solutions to meet all of these issues, CPS will simply be losing higher paid workers. I included a chart there, which is just the DFPS survey of employee engagement results from 2016, and as you all can see, job satisfaction was listed as the #1 major issue of concern for employees, right behind pay. The data generated by this office will help CPS address the cultural issues that have impacted retention and will provide leadership, the legislator, advocates, and others with the ability to make recommendations based on solid historical and statistical evidence. With a directive to focus on employee-raised concerns, performance evaluations, and positively motivating policies, the office will be able to ascertain where the issues are and what steps are needed to spotlight and respond to problems on both the local and statewide levels. A key function of the Office of Data Analytics will be the opportunity to listen to the voices of employees before they leave the department. Retention is one of the key goals of the agency, and yet understanding and responding to workers' concerns has traditionally been challenging for CPS. The following financial example highlights the CPS caseworker position due to its significantly higher turnover rate. According to the 2014 Sunset Report, DFPS lost over 1,300 caseworkers in fiscal year 2013. DFPS estimates the loss of each caseworker has a financial impact of $54,000, which would be $72.7 million in 2013. Analysis of state auditor's office exit surveys from fiscal year 2012 to first quarter of the fiscal year 2014 had 15% citing supervisory relationships and 33% citing poor work environment as the driving factors behind their decision to leave the agency. Had 25% of these individuals stayed, as a result of being able to voice their concerns and have someone from the Office of Data Analytics advocate on their behalf or help communicate their concerns to leadership and impact policy, the agency could have saved over $8 million. Between 2014 and 2016, CPS lost 46% of its CVS, FBSS, and investigative caseworkers before their first 12 months of employment. This impacts the outcomes of cases, children's time in care, and the overall mission of the entire department. If CPS is truly going to recruit, train, retain, and utilize the best possible workforce, they will need the Office of Data Analytics to develop the systematic blueprint to achieve this. Thank you for the opportunity to testify today, and if you have any questions.
Thank you, Mr. Francis. Well put.